Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tuning in today, you're probably eager to dive into the world of Xbox gaming in 2025, where everything's faster, smarter, and more secure. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to sign into your Xbox step by step. Whether you're a longtime fan or just picking up a console, this is super straightforward. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Xbox is powered on. Grab your controller or use voice commands if you have the latest model. Xbox in 2025 has upgraded to seamless AI integration, so just say, Xbox, sign in, to get started. Once the home screen loads, navigate to the profile icon in the top corner using your controller's directional pad. It's that simple. Next, you'll see a sign-in prompt. If you have a Microsoft account, enter your email and password on the on-screen keyboard. But here's where 2025 tech shines. Opt for the new biometric options like facial recognition or fingerprint scanning if your console supports it. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set it up, and boom, you're in faster than ever. Don't forget, for added security, Xbox now uses advanced two-factor authentication, so keep your phone handy for that verification code. If you're signing in from the Xbox app on your phone or PC, open the app, tap the Sign In button, and link your account. This is perfect for remote access or starting downloads before you even get home. Pro tip: always use a strong, unique password and enable automatic sign-in if you're in a secure environment to save time. One common issue? If you forget your password, head to the Microsoft recovery page directly from the sign-in screen. It guides you through resetting it quickly. And there you have it, signed in and ready to game. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.